Hi there! Oh my god, I can't express how excited I am. And the reason is this huge box that Xiaomi sent us. It contains the newly launched Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge with some more stuff. I mean, there has to be something more. It's definitely too big for a phone. And if it wasn't for this box packaging, I probably would have waited till the full review. But I think a box like this definitely deserves a video of its own. By the way, for those who don't know, the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge variant comes with a mammoth 120-watt charger which will charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just under 15 minutes. Absolutely amazing. It's a league of its own. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox this special packaging. But remember, this is just an unboxing and a quick hands-on. A full review to follow soon. Alright, enough blah blah blah. Let's begin. So here is the super huge unboxing of the Xiaomi 11i 5G Hypercharge. Yes, and this comes with the Xiaomi branding right on the top. Let's quickly unveil it. Okay, so right on the top you can see there's a booklet and it shows all the 4 colors the device is going to be available in, and it's going to be available in 2 variants. We have the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge and the Xiaomi 11i 5G. Now only the Hypercharge will come with a 120-watt charger, while the 5G variant, the 11i 5G, will come with a 67-watt charger. Let's have a quick glance inside. So obviously 100% in 15 minutes, 120 watts. Then you have some more info about the battery. The battery is actually split into 2, which helps it charge faster, it'll last longer, and it's also safer, which is great. Then on the other page, you have 120Hz AMOLED display. Further, 108 megapixel main primary camera. There's also a QR code if you want to try something more. I'll just hold it for a second if you want to scan it. Alright, further down here you can see the Xiaomi 11i 5G. 67-watt turbocharge technology, so you can get 50% charge in under 13 minutes, which is amazing. So in a way, if you look at it, even this is actually quite fast. Of course, not as fast as Hypercharge, but still very, very good. Alright, let's dive in further. Now you have this wooden amplifier, speaker amplifier, whatever you call it. You basically place your phone here and the wooden acoustics help enhance the audio. You can actually place it straight. It's a really, really cool device. You see the Xiaomi branding here as well. By the way, this also comes with a kind of a cover carry case, which is really sweet. Then you have some more paperwork. Okay. And we have an hourglass. That's nice, the timer hourglass. I'm not sure if this is 15 minutes, but it's pretty cool. And finally, the Xiaomi 11i 5G Hypercharge. We have the unit in our hand, but I've got one more surprise for you. Hang on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. No, these are not phones, but these are the backs of all the colors. So technically, instead of providing us all the phones, we are actually able to show you all the colors of the Xiaomi 11i 5G. This is the camo green, this is the black, this is the purple, this is the white, and it has this lovely shimmery effect. Reminds me of the Mi 11 Lite 5G. It's very similar. And let me tell you that the back is made of glass. The quality, the finish is absolutely amazing. And I really like this idea. You can actually have a look of how all the colors are going to look. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let's dive in deeper. It's time to open up the phone. And finally, here is the Xiaomi 11i 5G Hypercharge. Towards the back, you can see a long list of features, starting with the MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset. This is a 6nm processor. It comes with 8 5G band support, 120Hz AMOLED dot display with HDR10, amazing. 108 megapixel AI triple camera, tons of other features, 120 watts Xiaomi Hypercharge technology. Yes, this comes with a 120 watt charger in the box. Long list of features, made in India, purple mist color. This comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. I can't wait to open it up, so let's not wait. My God, this is so satisfying every time. Okay. Okay, and starting with, okay, we have a SIM ejector pin, you have a quick start guide, and you have a transparent TPU cover. Nice. Wow, can you see that camera cutout? That's really big, really nice quality cover. Okay, and finally the phone. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, we'll have a look at it in just a moment. Oh my God. 120 watt charger. Oops. Can you check that out? Wow. I'm just in love with it. So it comes with a USB-A port, which means you can use it with many other devices which are compatible, which is great. Oh my God. And let me tell you, I'm really surprised. This is 120 watt, but it's not really bigger than the 67 watt, or maybe actually even smaller than the 67 watt charger, which is amazing. Wow. This is too good. Can't wait to test it out actually. And finally, we have the USB cable, and it's the same orange internals. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and that's it. Okay. All right, let's open this up. Wow, this is so beautiful. The glass back, the satin finish, it is so beautiful. Check out the camera module. OMG. Oh, I can't tell you how much I've been missing the flat sides. And actually, I started loving it after using the iPhone, the 12 and the 13, the flat sides. You realize it's really nice. Wow. All right, can't wait. Let's have a closer look at it. So right on the front, we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. That's a dot punch design. Right on the top, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Then you have an IR blaster, which I truly love. Then a second noise cancelling mic. There's a speaker on the top. Then on the side here, you have the volume button. Here's the power button, as well as this doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Then towards the bottom, we get a single speaker, a microphone, a SIM tray, and a USB-C port. Now what I really love is that this comes with a symmetrical speaker. There's a speaker here and there's a speaker here. So suppose you're sitting and watching something like this, it's going to sound so much more better, because usually we have a speaker here and then we have a speaker either here, or it's the earphone which is doubling as a speaker. But right here you have symmetrical speakers, and I believe they should sound amazing. All right, let's check out the SIM tray. Okay, so we have a hybrid SIM tray. We can either put 2 SIM cards, or you can put 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Also, just in case, for those who want to know how the cover looks, this is how the transparent cover looks. Absolutely amazing. I'm actually liking it with the cover too. Very rarely do I like phones with the case, but this transparent cover fits so well and doesn't take away the beauty from the device. Looks really nice. It still retains that flat side. We usually see covers where the sides become round, but it just looks so much more nice. Easily accessible ports, very nice TPU cover. I would like to keep it for a couple of days. All right, let's boot up the device. Okay, comes with 12.5 out of the box. And there you go, we're set up and ready to use. And the first thing that gets my attention is the gorgeous AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Check that out. Buttery smooth animations. Really, really nice. Now, one thing that I have to mention is that the device doesn't support Hypercharge out of the box. You need to actually enable it by going into the settings, battery and performance, then going into the battery, boost charging speed. Go in here and turn on boost charging speed. Only now will it support that 120 watt fast charge, and it will charge faster. It's really, really important that you turn this on. However, even if you don't turn this on, it will charge in around 20 minutes, between 18 to 20 minutes. So it's not going to make a drastic difference, but yes, it will definitely make it faster. Now let's check out the Android version number. So it's running Android 11. Okay. I hope that we see Android 12 really soon, but we'll have to wait probably, and you get MIUI 12.5 out of the box. So let's check out the charging experience. Okay, 120 watts max. Can you see the charging speed? Amazing, 120 watts max. Now, frankly, it was impossible to test the charging speed as I just got the device in my hand, and there was no way I could fully deplete the battery either in such a short time. But I assure you, I will cover it in detail in my full review. And here's quickly also having a look at the AMOLED display with a little more vibrant wallpaper, and I think this looks absolutely stunning. Also, we'll quickly check out the fingerprint scanner, how quick and responsive it is. 1, 2, 3. Wow, okay. Not bad at all. Wow. Very responsive, really nice. Wow, I'm loving that display. It's really a gorgeous looking AMOLED display as well. It looks really good. Even though I've been using this phone for just a couple of hours, I can say Xiaomi got a lot of things right on this one. It's got a 120Hz AMOLED display with HDR10 support, Dimensity 920 with 5G support, 108 megapixel AI camera, and a charging speed that has almost made me speechless. There is nothing even remotely close. However, this was just an unboxing and hands-on. A full review with camera samples, charging experience, user experience to follow soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Also, for those who want to buy the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge, you can buy it starting 12th of January on mi.com, starting 26,999. I'll leave the links for all in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, put them down in the comments and I should definitely include them in my review video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!